Tonight at 6, 11 investigates who is driving your children to school. We broke the news yesterday that the feds had charged a local bus driver with child porn. We did some digging and found out he took a plea deal in a similar case nearly 20 years ago. Channel 11's Melanie Marcelco is live with the judge's order showing that he was banned from driving a school bus for life. So Melanie, how was this guy able to slip through the cracks?
Well, Peggy, we did some digging into this guy's past and found out he was accused of doing something similar all the way back in 2001. He was told by a judge he could not drive a school bus again, but as of last week, he was. He was ordered to never drive a school bus again back in 2001, but as of just last week, Jack LaForte was back in the seat of a school bus, driving for PA coach lines within the Monessen School District. Channel 11 first told you about Jack LaForte yesterday when he was indicted by the feds for allegedly having child porn on his computer. But court documents reveal he's been in trouble before, almost 2 decades ago. LaForte was charged in 2001 with 40 counts of corruption of a minor between 2 cases involving 2 victims. He was sending inappropriate emails to 2 14-year-olds containing pornographic material, dirty readings, and animated porn cartoons. LaForte ended up taking a plea deal and completed an ARD program, but was court-ordered by a judge to never drive a school bus again or attend school events. The superintendent confirmed to Channel 11 LaForte told the bus company on Monday about the new federal allegations against him and was put on leave without pay. Channel 11 went to the bus garage today to try to get answers, but couldn't get any specific answers about LaForte's case. The district says PA coach line bought Hilltop Bus Line last year, where LaForte was driving back in 2001, and just last week until he was put on leave. We made multiple attempts to get answers from PA coach line to find out how LaForte was still driving despite the court order, but those questions were never really answered. The bus company only provided a list of clearances it does on employees. We tried tracking LaForte down at his home in Monessen, but couldn't get a hold of him. And the superintendent for Monessen School District said she was shocked by this. She said she never knew about those charges from back in 2001. Now, PA coach line also did tell us they can't talk about personnel specifically, but they sent us a list of those clearances all of their drivers have to pass in order to get hired. You can see those on your screen right there. The district said LaForte had all proper clearances to date. Peggy?
Yeah, it's really scary, Melanie. And at one point, I understand that this driver even tried to get his record just wiped clean.
Yeah, Peggy, we found out LaForte had actually tried to get that 2001 case expunged. Prosecutors argued that that was not part of the plea deal, so the judge denied that altogether. LaForte is said to be out tonight on $25,000 unsecured bond. Reporting live in Westmoreland County, I'm Melanie Marcelco for Channel 11 News.
Yeah, thanks, Melanie, for bringing this important story to light. I know you're going to keep asking questions until you get all the answers. Thank you.